Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Ford Ranger XL dual cab ute, stock reference number 5443. The shape runs from the 6th month 2015 through to the 4th month 2022. It has a P5 AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. P5 AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have a left rear 20-inch Lenso Gardner Mods alloy mag with a good tyre. Tidy rear bumper bar, park sensor type. Tailgate has 7 small dents. Right rear 20-inch Gardner Mods Lenso alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has 2 small dents and a fold on the front edge. And a right power door mirror. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black pop interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.